Hello friends, my name is Ashish Sato. Today we are going to see the various domains where the 2D CAD software get used. The 2D CAD software is widely used in varieties of domains and industry. The 2D CAD is used for creation of the two-dimensional drawings where the things can be get manufactured and it can be delivered to its customer. As you know that Anna Vastra Nivara is the need for any of the human being. Similarly, the 2D CAD software is the need of each and every domains of an engineering. So let's explore what are the various types of domains where the 2D CAD software gets used. To start with, architecture is the domain where the 2D CAD is used maximum. It can be used for creation of the building drawings, layouts and other details of it. Moving ahead, the second part comes with the civil engineering. The civil engineering is used in various day-to-day activities. Likewise, we are using the infrastructure like road, rails and other network. So for that, the civil engineering, the 2D CAD can be get used maximum. The third major usage is the automotive design. As you know that we are using vehicles for our day-to-day transportation. So automotive designs, the 2D CAD software plays a very important role. Here we comes the fourth important point where the 2D CAD software gets used. That is nothing but our defense structure. Aerospace and defense is the fourth major domain where the 2D CAD software is getting used. Coming back to the fifth point, the interior design. Interior design for creation of our beautiful homes and other things, we are using the 2D CAD software. So we can get lots of variants on our fingertip by using these softwares. Now moving ahead, the sixth part comes the electrical engineering associated with it. This domain uses the 2D CAD softwares for electrical systems, wiring, control panels and many more such applications. Here it brings the seventh most important domain of an engineering, that is nothing but the electronics. Electronics plays a very critical and crucial role in our day-to-day activity. As you see, our gadgets are there, laptop, desktop, fans, remote controls, everything is having the small chip, that is nothing but the printed circuit boards. The designing can be get done with respect to the 2D CAD software. Now, as you know, we are wearing the clothes. So fashion industry is a special industry where the 2D CAD is get widely used for creation of the latest brands and other things. The next important domain of an engineering is the shipbuilding and marine. For protection of each and every country's assets, the Navy plays an important role for building of the ships and the naval boats. Basically, there is a special department named as Naval Architect. They are making the various designs by using the 2D CAD softwares. And the most important function is the mechanical engineering. For whatever may be the components, parts, assemblies that we are using today, it can be get done with respect to the mechanical engineering. And all the two design can be get done the start and its end with the 2D CAD software. Hence we can say the 2D is the most important function of all the domains of an engineering. Thank you for watching this video.